Triathlete Gary Cooper will be put to the test as the first Jamaican to go into action at the inaugural Pan American Junior Games, set to get underway on Thursday in Cali, Colombia. TVJ Sports caught up with him earlier today before departure.
All eyes will be on 2019 National Junior Triathlon champion Gary Cooper as he takes on his sternest test yet at this new Continental Junior Championship. He'll not just be the first in his sport to represent at this level, but the first competitor from Jamaica when the tournament gets underway. Is there any pressure to do well?
I'm rather nervous. It's my first time. As I said, it's my debut. So, but I am looking forward to it. It's a new experience.
The second-year civil engineering student at UWI has represented Jamaica before at the Carifta Games, but this is a bigger stage. Despite alluding to nerves, Cooper relishes the opportunity to be representing the island and is not just going to make up numbers, despite challenges brought on by COVID-19.
Adequate time, I would love to say yes, but due to the pandemic, I had a slight hiatus, so I came back in September and I was training hard to get myself ready for the games. My goal is always to do better than I did the last time. Really want to, get a new PB, probably sub 1 hour.
Cooper got into triathlon purely by chance after being spotted competing in another sport, but believes he can leave a mark at the games.
I started swimming in my early days at Kingston College, but I have grown to love cycling a lot, and it is one of my stronger disciplines, but swimming is definitely one that I will be putting my mark on.
The inaugural Junior Pan American Games will run from Thursday, November 25 to Sunday, December 5 with over 3,500 athletes aged 17 to 22 from 41 countries in 315 events spread across 28 sports. The nation will compete in a record 12 sporting disciplines. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.